Hi guys, this is Sushmita, your crypto guide, and today I'll be talking about decentralized applications. As the name suggests, decentralized applications or DApps are applications that do not have a specific central computing system and run on a distributed computing system like that of a blockchain, which means it is decentralized. Such apps always have certain characteristics. Number one, open source. The source code is intentionally made available to the public, meaning that anyone is able to verify, use, copy, and modify the code. Number two, decentralized. Since DApps run on blockchain networks, they are not controlled by a single entity or authority. Instead, they are maintained by multiple users or nodes. Number three, cryptographically secure. The application is protected by cryptography, meaning that all the data is recorded and maintained in a public blockchain. There is no single point of failure. In traditional apps, a compromised centralized server may take down the entire network of the application, making it unusable and putting the data at risk. But decentralized apps are immune to this. There is a great variety of DApps with different use cases. They may include gaming, social media platforms, cryptocurrency wallets, and financial applications. Decentralized applications fuel their own activity through a tokenized system. The distributed nature of these DApps provides transparency, decentralization, and resistance to attacks. And this was all about decentralized applications. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.